Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Godrej AC to Wi-Fi. First, make sure your air conditioner is powered on and positioned within a good range of your home's Wi-Fi network. Next, download the official Godrej Smart Home application onto your mobile device. Finally, have your Wi-Fi network name and password handy, as you will need these details shortly for a smooth setup process. Once you have the app installed, open it and either create a new account or log in with your existing credentials. Navigate to the Add Device option within the application and carefully select your particular Godrej air conditioner model from the displayed list. Now, you will need to put your AC unit into pairing mode, usually by pressing a specific button on the remote or the unit itself for a few seconds. With your AC in pairing mode, the app will prompt you to enter your home Wi-Fi network's name and its corresponding password. Double-check that these details are absolutely correct to avoid any connection issues. Then, confirm the information and allow the app to initiate the pairing process. Please be patient as the application works to establish a stable connection between your AC and your Wi-Fi network. After a successful connection, the app will typically ask you to assign a custom name to your Godrej AC unit. This helps you easily identify and manage it, especially if you have multiple smart devices. Take a moment to test all the controls within the app, such as adjusting the temperature or changing modes, to ensure everything is working perfectly. Now you can enjoy convenient smart control of your AC from anywhere.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.